This video covers the bulk inventory upload functionality from Business Central to Magento through x2x integration solution. Uploading or updating inventory from Business Central to Magento requires enabling the inventory upload option, and selecting the location and store ID. Go to x2x Magento Preferences, and then under the mandatory settings enable the upload inventory. Select the default location and store ID for inventory upload. Click Save. Now open the x2x Magento tab and then go to Upload Inventory and Prices. Only items with their inventory modified after this date and time will be updated. You can change it if required. Now click on Upload Inventory to start uploading the inventory. This whole process can also be automatically handled through the scheduler. To set up automatic inventory updates, go to the scheduler in x2x Preference. Enable Scheduler. Enable Inventory Upload. Set up the upload frequency. And save. This is how x2x Business Central and Magento Integration solutions ensure that your inventory on your Magento site is always updated, so your customers order only those items that you can fulfill. Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.